Hello Farhad, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. New setting for me.
Yeah, looking fresh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to my channel, The Donkey Business. And
New
today
channel. You look.
I look like a donkey. New
No, I'm
channel,
saying
new
new
look.
channel.
Oh,
You look.
okay. So today we are going to be talking about a movie that we promised to you guys last week. It's an Indian Malayalam film, and according to Google, it is a sci-fi thriller horror suspense. सारे जॉनर की मूवी है. It's a sci-fi thriller film. It's a Malayalam language Indian film called Churuli, directed by Lijo Jose, who is also the director of Jallikattu, which released last year, I guess, right?
No, in 2019, I think.
Not
Two
20,
years.
no, 2020. I saw it in the lockdown.
2020, though, it was sent to the Oscars.
Oh,
2019, it had. Yeah.
okay. That was also a great film. And this was also, but didn't you realize while watching Churuli that if you have seen Jallikattu, you could kind of make out that the director of Jallikattu and Churuli is the same because the feel of both the movies was very, very similar.
No, not at all. I think there's a saying that goes, that has been doing the rounds actually, which says that Joe Jose, uh, he doesn't repeat the same film twice.
I'm not saying
Uh,
that he repeated the film. I'm saying that, like, when we
Even the
watch
look.
like, if supposing we watch a movie by
Anurag Kashyap. Anurag
yeah,
Kashyap.
if we watch perfect example, if we watch Anurag Kashyap film and we don't know that the director is Anurag Kashyap for both the films, you still feel that the director is the same because of the way he directs or because how raw he is or how his lighting is. I'm not saying that the movie had the same premise or it was the same, but you could kind of tell that yeah, the director is the same because his style of direction is obviously the same.
I would tend to disagree as well. I would tend to disagree because I have seen some of his earlier works like Angamali Diaries and Imayu. They have a very different sort of a direction that is there. It wasn't very playful with the atmosphere. It the common that was there was life, death, and afterlife. That was the common theme you can say when it was touched upon here a little bit. So by the way, Churuli, the full review you will find on my website, Popcorn Reviews.
That was a
And
very random plug-in.
acha. So which is in the description box, randomly appearing, and it is so random because the movie is also so random, by the way. So
Yeah,
that's
it
why it
is.
is so.
It is. It is.
So I would I would tend to disagree here, considering the fact that the direction here is it required some amount of guts as well as skills to pull off such a abstract subject that was there. I mean, at no point did you feel that spoilers that it was a time travel. It was just making the audience a little confused about what it actually wanted to say. The audience were also actually spiraling around in that labyrinth, which was also the theme of the film, and the characters in the film were doing the same. So that was like a immersive experience, I can say. That was there, which really I don't want to give too much of the plot point out. Even
Yeah,
if I do, you're still not going to understand
exactly.
completely.
That's why I didn't ask you to talk about the film in one line because how many ever lines you use, it's impossible to talk about this film.
Yeah. So the beauty of it is, and I've also written in my review here that the beauty of it is the things that you do not understand in the film. That is the uniqueness of it.
Yeah,
Because if you understand everything, it is not a mind bender. It is a
right.
straight, and this supposedly has a simple premise, so to say. It was not a premise that was itself very complicated or high concept. It wasn't. The
Yeah.
premise was simple again, but again it was just turned on its head, once the characters crossed that bridge, in that film,
Oh
the
my
first
God.
10
That was
minutes.
so well done.
It
Wow.
was
I
totally
was
right.
very surprised. I did not
And
expect anything like that at all. It was so well done.
it's just like a normal plot, so to say. at that point, did you feel, Tanya, that this was actually a bridge to that
Not at
mysterious
all, not at all. I was very surprised. You know, when the car was passing, I knew something is going to happen. And as normal audience, I obviously thought that the bridge is going to collapse and the car is going to go down. Obviously, I was waiting because I was like, if he's spending so much time on that scene, that's definitely going to happen. And the first thing that came in my mind was that. But after that was a sudden change in attitude that was super unexpected, and really appreciate him for such amazing storytelling.
It's hard to even express, that
Yeah,
what I was actually trying to decipher what is actually going on,
yeah.
scratching my head for most of the film. But by the time it ended, and that ending that was there, it just made me go, WTF? I mean, what the hell was that? And in a good way for me. I don't know for you, but in a good way
In
for
a
me.
very good, honestly, like the reason why I didn't tell you how much I love the film is because I didn't want to talk. Is because I didn't want to talk to you about it on WhatsApp. I wanted to like talk to you about it directly on call. And thank you so much for recommending this movie to me because honestly, I would have not known, or I would know like really later once it becomes a little more popular, because this is that kind of a film where it is going to become more and more popular with time and once people talk about it a lot. And this film was mind boggling. Like, I there are things which I have not expected at all, and because we watch so many movies in general, I'm not saying that we come to know what a movie is going to lead to, but we kind of get what's going to happen in the film. This is that movie where I could not guess even like the smallest scene. I was thinking something else, but literally the other thing was happening.
And that is the beauty of the direction here, because I don't know how many directors would be willing to take that sort of a risk, and a very big risk.
It
And
is a very
this,
big risk.
yeah, and this man that is there, he's known to take risks as well.
Yeah,
In
we saw that
Angamali
in
Diary,
Jallikattu as well.
Jallikattu, that scene in which they were bombing that in the, I think, 1 hour into the film that was there, the animal that they were attacking, and the end that was there, that was something that is unparalleled that I've seen in anything so far in cinema. It's one of my favorite Malayalam films, Jallikattu, of all time. I also saw Angamali Diaries, where
Yeah.
the climax had a one take shot. It was a 12 or a 13-minute one take that was there, which featured all the characters together, and one single
Wow.
mistake would have prompted them to restart again. But then at the same time, that was the first time that I saw a one take, in any film that was there.
Yeah.
And I'd watched Sangamali Dies like 3 years back. So this guy has high
Very, very,
expectations
very
to,
talented. Yeah.
very talented, and the film that he actually takes up, he adds something of his own. It's
Yeah.
not like a normal
Yeah.
general, so to say, a story that is there with a simple feel good premise. No, he'll challenge the viewers. That is
True.
very important.
True.
Even Emayu that was there, that
Yeah.
dark humor that he
Yeah.
had created, amazing. It was amazing. So that is precisely the reason why I had my eyes set on this film ever since the time it was declared that it's
Announced.
coming out
Yeah.
on OTT. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it had premiered at the Kerala International Festival. I think it was in February this year,
Okay.
2021.
Okay.
And the word of mouth was a bit mixed, which
Okay.
was a little surprising for me.
Yeah.
And now
But I
I
think,
totally get
yeah.
it why it was mixed.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I was also coming to, that I can kind of get it why it's mixed reviews, because I think most of the generic audience that does not want to watch experimental or like sci-fi movies would not like it that much. But people who are a fan of like cinema and art, there is no reason for you not to like this film. Literally, talking about my most favorite thing in the film, which I loved more than the direction, and somewhere, of course, the director has a very big hand to play in this, was the cinematography.
Oh, yes.
I think this
And
is
I
one
would
of
like
the
to
best
add,
cinematographies I have seen, at least in Indian cinema in 2021.
I totally agree. And I would just like to add, with cinematography, it is the sound design also. It was excellent
Yeah,
here.
yeah,
Excellent. I mean, the bizarre sounds that were there, you know,
Yeah.
sometimes it was so loud, sometimes
Yeah.
it was the silence that was
Yeah.
actually talking,
Yeah.
adding to that atmosphere, you know.
Yeah.
This is not a film, in the horror genre. This is not the
This is
film
not,
that
yeah.
scares, you know. It's
Hmm.
not a jump scare.
Yeah.
It is
Not
about
at
the
all.
atmosphere. It is about the atmospherics, and it is about the mystery. Basically, it's
Yeah.
about something very abstract. You know, I was jokingly WhatsApping, you know, you saying that this is probably the Malayalam version of Satvi Ser.
That's what he said.
Saket, if you're watching,
But it is very, very like Satvi Sair as a film was also very trippy and very artsy and very kind of has a very niche audience. I think this is also that kind of film which is very trippy and will have a niche audience. And the audience that will love this film, I salute you and I know that you have good eye for cinema.
totally. And I think what you said perfectly sums it up, you know, that over the years, this is going to be discussed. There are going to be fan theories about it, and it's going to
Of
become a cult.
course. And this is that
Just think
film when
about
you go to a film school, there are films that you watch of like really big international directors where you're like, watch his work and learn from him. This is definitely that film which will be shown in film schools to watch and learn from. Because I think from the direction to the acting to the storytelling, cinematography, and the music, I don't think that is something which was a down for me at all.
totally. I mean, totally. And we talk about Nolan. I'm a fan of Nolan as well. But then,
I
you know, this
know.
guy, I mean, he just came out of nowhere. I
No
mean, I wouldn't
way.
say nowhere completely, but this movie has probably, and many people are calling it a misfire. It is not a misfire.
No. Yeah.
You haven't understood it.
Yeah,
There are so
honestly,
many
you haven't
clues that
understood.
are there. And there are so many clues in the narrative as well, each one leading to a roadblock.
Yeah,
There's not one clue that is actually joining the dots,
yeah,
which is why it is a spiral, it is a labyrinth that
exactly.
is there.
Like, this is a very, very international level Indian film. It is not like we watch a
Now,
lot of South Indian films and we love South Indian cinema way, way, way more than Hindi cinema. But this is literally like above all bars in South Indian cinema as well. And I think it has a very, very international level of filmmaking and storytelling and cinematography. Some shots were insane. Like, I literally, once I finished the movie, because I didn't want to rewind it at that time, once I finished the movie, I have gone back to a few scenes just to wonder how he must have taken the shot. Even like the
yeah,
DI and everything was so perfect that the feel of the film was so good that it would just immerse the audience. And like when I was watching the film, while watching the film, I was like, why are they cursing so much? Why are they using the word rape, or like, were you fucking a buffalo, or like, fuck your ass up, or I like fuck you, or so many curses that I was like, okay, it's a bit too much. You didn't have to use it that much. But do you know the reason why this happened?
I think there was a dialogue at the end, you know, which says that many people just at some point of time
You
rape,
murder and rape someone in
you
your head.
murder and rape someone in your head. Yeah.
So I
So
read
that
it online that once you cross the bridge and you come to this side of the jungle, all your dark demons and everything dark that you think in yourself comes as your true personality, and there is no mirror or shield in your personality. It is what you are in general, and you are as much as you can be. So when we are also talking, like if I'm talking to you and there's no camera, I'll use the word fuck 10 times, but as soon as there's a camera or like there's a movie going on, I will use it once if it comes out by chance. So the reason why they were abusing and cursing so much in the film was because once you're in that side of the jungle, there is no filter to your personality, and it is who it is, and that's how we are in real life.
just to add to that, you know, I think the other part of the jungle also represents the negativity that is there. So the more
Exactly.
you, so one thing that is there, the more you dwell in it, you're going to go around in it, and you
Yeah.
know, it's you're going to go in spirals.
Yeah.
You know, so that was, I think, my interpretation as well of it. But of course, you know, the basic plot was of two undercover police officers trying to find a
Find a
person who's a
criminal.
criminal, but I mean, that's just like a metaphor, you know. You're just going out to seek that negativity or
Yeah,
attracted
this
to that
is
negativity.
exactly that film where if my friend asks me like, "Hey, did you watch Churili? What's the story about?" and I'll just be like, "Just watch it. Like, just watch it. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to spoil anything for you. Just watch it and thank me later." This is exactly what I'm gonna say.
I think we can spoil it a little as well because we
I
will.
think by the time I
I
edit
think there
this,
will be,
people will have must have spoiled it already all over the internet. There
yeah.
is no
So
spoilers
then,
for this.
so Tanya, what is your interpretation of the film? Where was this headed, and what do you make of the ending that was there? I mean, that was just a little spoiler. If you haven't watched the film, please pause the video here, watch it, and then come back.
Come
This
back.
is we are actually delving into the explanation of the ending that was there,
Yeah.
that jaw-dropping ending that was there. So, Tanya, what are your thoughts on the ending that was there of
So somewhere when 70% of the movie was over, I did have an idea that everybody in that jungle or whoever comes to that jungle as an undercover cop or to like change things in that jungle does find a Satan on their head, and that's why they're stuck in that loop. I did get an idea, but I was obviously not sure because this film is so unpredictable that everything I was thinking was going haywire. But I think this is what I came out of while watching it in the end, that they did have a Satan in the form of the guy who was paralyzed. He was the Satan for them who was taking them around the loop in the jungle, and they were going to stay there now forever. And probably they would be the Satan next time somebody else comes, or a part of the entire hilarious joke that the villagers have. They would be a part of it for the next time cops come to catch the criminal.
so my interpretation is slightly different. I think the director meant to touch about the afterlife that was there as well, and how the spiral that was there, that was actually signifying life, birth, death, and afterlife, coming back, you're born again. That is
Yeah.
the circle that was, I think, they were trying to depict. There was this brief scene, if you realize, towards the end, where the criminal that was there, he was at the back initially,
Hmm.
and Vinay Fort, the character Vinay Fort, was sitting next to the driver.
Hmm.
A brief second after that, they had interchanged positions, which meant that in another life, in a not a parallel runtime, but probably in another life that they had, Vinay Fort was actually the criminal, and he was the police officer that was there. So that was also like a clever switch that was there, that they were
Yeah.
going round in circles, just
Hmm.
interchanging each other and exchanging the negativity that they had in each other. Probably that
Yeah.
was my interpretation of it. It had that shades of
It
aftershave, which I
did.
thought, and at the end of it, when the light that was there right at the end, the bright light that was just
Yeah.
forming on
Yeah.
the screen,
Yeah.
that probably, I think, signified nirvana,
Hmm. Okay.
moksha, that we call moksha,
Okay.
nirvana. So that is when your karma is even and you attain that moksha, that nirvana that is there. I think that was the interpretation. Of course, you and me again are, if you look at it, stuck in a time loop.
Yeah.
We are born, we are living right now, we are going to die, we are going to again
Be
get a rebirth.
reincarnated.
Again, we're going to be, so it's like a
A loop.
massive,
Yes.
massive circle that is there, right? It's a massive labyrinth that is there. So
Then
that is
probably
precisely that.
then probably the fireflies that he was showing all the time were also like the people who were going to be reincarnated or like souls that could be part of that
Maybe.
loop because okay. Because in the end,
Yeah,
also, if you see, there were so many fireflies, and there were fireflies all the time. Maybe it could be the soul of those people who is going to be reincarnated, or maybe it could be people who just died, or significance or something, or maybe significance of nothing at all. It could be anything.
totally, totally. That is also one interpretation of it. And the beauty of it is that both of us are right, and both of us are wrong.
Are wrong.
And
Yeah.
there might be thousand other interpretations as well. So this is just our interpretation.
Yeah.
I mean, if it makes sense, then please let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
Okay, this is, I think, one film that we would personally like to discuss with you, in the comment sections. That would be great to discuss.
I actually want to discuss a little bit more about the cinematography because all my eyes are on the cinematographer now, and I am looking forward to watch more of his work.
So I think the cinematography, as you rightly said, it's brilliant. This was technically such a brilliant piece of art. I think
Did
both the
you
cinematographer and
say?
both the cinematographer and the sound designer, they've actually gone on a trip themselves. If I say trip in inverted commas, which meant
Yeah,
they were allowed that creative freedom to let
yeah,
loose and explore the world that is there,
totally,
and go all out with it. And which
totally.
is why you get these abstract and bizarre pieces which actually just astonish you in such a good way.
Yeah,
Especially the sound design for me, I think worked like a dream. It just worked like a dream. This is probably the
yeah,
best sound design that I've heard in a very long time.
very long.
Very long time.
True. Talking about like the cinematography, also like I want to make a special mention about how this film is shot in a very rural village forest area, and I loved how the camera most of the time was just placed. There were no like shots where like the camera was placed in a way that stuff is happening. It was just like kept, like camera is just like slanting and it's kept, but that was the beauty of it because it makes it look so rural and it immerses you in the film as an audience. Also, I love the fact that there was not even one close in the film. They were all wide shots just to make you a part of that you're in jungle and this is what is happening. And even if there were dialogues, it was not like cut and like close iska, fin iska, close, fin iska, close. They were literally in the same frame, probably not even looking at each other but talking, and space around them and behind them with like so much jungle and so many houses and fire and all that. I literally felt that I was in the jungle with them, and you hardly get to see that in films because most of the time when you're watching a film you know that it's a film. There's a shot and there's a film. There is very rare that you find rawness, but I think this film literally aced it in doing that. Like I feel a
Yeah.
lot in Iranian movies that there is a lot of rawness, but this film is as good as one of those. Performances are
And
outstanding. I think this is that movie which is a technical film. I'm not saying that it is not an actor's movie at
yeah,
all. The performers were great, but I think we have more to talk about how amazing, technically great this film is. Because this is
truly.
definitely not like that emotional drama movie in which an actors have more work. This is that 70% technicality, 30% actor film.
Yeah. So it makes the work of the actor a little easy,
Easy.
easy only
Not
relatively,
easy,
okay?
but
Because
yeah, like
yeah, it
coverable
won't be
with
easy, but
technicality.
yeah. But then I've I think found a fanboy in me for Vinay Fort. The
Yeah, we spoke
actor.
about him last time also.
Yeah, we spoke about him last time, and he was in Malik also, which had
Yeah,
Fahad Fazil in the movie.
yeah,
So he's such a nuanced actor. I mean, such a nuanced actor, and I mean, this is the beauty of Malayalam cinema. You uh, somebody that we totally just off the radar for us. We start to take attention to that person. The who is he? Like Suraj Vendaramudu,
yeah.
or I'm not even talking about Fahad and Prithviraj, who are
Out there.
way
Yeah,
ahead of, yeah, but then there are few many others that actually are making their mark and in significant roles. I
right.
possibly would like to think that this was a role that was written keeping him in mind as well.
Yeah. And even his
So I
switch
mean,
in
is
character in the film was so good. Like in the start of the film, he's like this timid guy who is very scared and not very outspoken. But after like 60% of the film, not 60, like 50% of the film in the second half,
yeah,
you see that he's like this confident guy who is like out there to take over this jungle and show what he is. Especially in like,
and
you see there is so much switch. Even in the slapping contest, you see him hitting hard. You see him being
yeah.
competitive.
And one of the most terrifying scenes was when he was actually, coated with blood, and he was actually opening his mouth and saying something that was like terrifying. That entire scene that was there, even with the lady that was there. I think her name is Giti Sangeeta, if I'm
Yeah,
not wrong. So when she had to massage and
yeah,
uh, take care of that other inspector who's played
Yeah.
by Chemban Vinod.
Yeah.
So that was again when she actually climbs on him and screams.
Yeah.
You are taken aback, like, what the hell is going on?
Yeah.
And you actually, that is the, I think, the horror element that was also introduced.
Yeah.
Like just to grab your attention
Grab your
and
attention. Yeah.
get you back into the drama that was there, because something that was following post that was actually the main, you would get an idea about what the film entirely was right at the end.
Yeah.
So that was it. How much would you rate it, Tanya? What is your? We'll go to the rating now. Do you want to say something else before that?
No, I don't want to say anything, but when it comes to the rating, it's very confusing.
Yeah, that's how it should be. I was confused myself, but then I'll tell you my
What should I rate? It's so confusing. Um, it's definitely above 4,
Okay.
but it's not 5.
Okay. So
Okay.
I actually rated it a safe 4 out of 5. Probably if I revisit it in the coming years, I would probably like it as much, even more, and the rating might be revised. Though I wouldn't be changing it on my side, but I mean, as you said, it's confusing. Like
Yeah, it is.
oh,
It is. I
it,
don't want to rate
it
it
did
less
take me
than
some.
4 for sure.
It didn't allow you to settle in the film. That was the
Yeah.
beauty of it, as and it did take some amount of time to gather your parts of your mind that were actually bent. There were like
Yeah.
some of it were permanently bent. I couldn't gather my thoughts till
Yeah.
morning of what I thought about it. I didn't. So that is something that even I think the viewers, the audience would get to know, that at the end of it, you wouldn't know whether you've liked it or not. Give it time,
Exactly.
let it sleep on it. It's okay. And then once you wake up with a fresh mind, you will understand what a piece of art this is. This is
It is, it
amazing.
is. And
Amazing.
honestly, like I've always said that I love movies that stay with you, or there is at least one part of the film that stays with me forever, and I'm going to remember it and probably revisit it only for that part. And I think this is that movie that has definitely and will stay with me. 4 goes for the entire feel and screenplay, acting, and everything, but I do, and cinematography, but I do give it a 0.25 extra to the cinematographer. I am in love. It is not like the last film that I really loved with VFX and cinematography was Tumbad, and now it's
Hmm.
this.
Totally, totally. I think the art design was pretty good here as well. I
It
think we
was a
should
perfect film. Like it
technically.
looked like a low budget film, but it's definitely not a low budget film. Everybody has
And why?
worked hard as a team and created something that will be cherished around the world, not only in India. I don't even think it will be cherished so much in India as much as it would be around the world.
And why am I not surprised that it comes from Malayalam
I
cinema?
know. Why am I not surprised that it comes from
Why am I
Malayalam?
not surprised?
And I hope this is that one movie nobody dares to remake.
Oh, they wouldn't dare to.
Don't even dare to remake. Like,
I
I'm
can
not even going
ensure
to
you
watch
that.
it.
I can ensure you nobody's going to dare to, because nobody's going to understand it. I think the low IQ people that are there, they're not going to understand. Sorry if I'm
Being offensive, but please be totally
yeah.
offensive. We know what Hamaka has done to the terror life, so
I haven't watched it, so I will reserve my
please be
comments for that.
offensive. I'm very, very disappointed.
My pleasure, always. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. This is a new channel by Tanya,
Yeah.
and please show all your love and support.
To
And
my channel and his website. I'm adding the link in the description box below. He writes amazing reviews. And please, please, please do give it a read and please hit a like for both of us. And let us know
thank you.
what fan theories y'all have in the comments below, because I think this is a movie that we can talk about for years and years and years.
Yeah, so that's when the comment section comes out. We can discuss it in the comments. Please bombard us
Let's
and spam us with all your thoughts that are there in the comments.
I know.
And
This is
let's
that.
give the audience a like, yeah, like target. How much do you want the audience to? What is the like target? Should we say 1,000? Should we say 1,000? Or should we
I
first
can
say
say
100?
1,000 views. Oh my god, if this is the old channel, maybe I would say 1,000 likes, but as many as you
100?
can is what I can say.
At least 100. Chalo,
At
let's
least
do it.
100, yeah, at least 100.
At least 100. Come on, let's
Come on,
have a target of
guys.
100.
This is a really good
100.
movie. Not for us, but for the film.
Yeah, for the film, please.
For the
And
film.
if you're a
And this
fan of Malayalam cinema, please hit the like button
hit
and hit
the
the
like
subscribe
button.
button.
And also, if you all saw it in English and in English subtitles, which we did, if you all saw it by mistake, if you think that there are some dialogues that we lost in translation, please inform us, because we would love to know things that the movie did not tell us in English. Please. do
Basically,
not
anything and everything about the movie Churuli, we would love to discuss
love
in the
to know.
comments. Find Tanya and me definitely interacting with everyone. Probably, if you bombard us with even say 1,000 comments, hypothetically, we are
We
going to
will reply to each and every
we are going to
comment
reply
like
to
we used
everyone.
to in the previous channel. And don't watch this video if you haven't watched the movie. Go watch the movie first and then come back.
Title is there, you know. The title is Churuli explained in English.
Yeah.
So that's the definite spoiler discussion. So
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. I mean, thank you, Farhan, and we will see you soon.
thank you for having me. Bye bye.
Bye.